Incoming Chief Executive of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region John Lee and the newly appointed principal officials expressed their gratitude for the central government's appointment during a press conference held on Sunday. Lee and the governing team of the Hong Kong SAR's sixth-term government said that they will lead Hong Kong in ushering in a new chapter from stability to prosperity. The 26 appointed principal officials comprise 21 politically accountable and 5 non-politically accountable officials. Among the 26 principal officials, 6 are female, or about a quarter of the team, which is the highest ratio in the Hong Kong SAR government ever.
未來5年係香港由治及興嘅關鍵時刻，我同我嘅團隊會齊心協力，迎難而上，帶領香港全面發揮一國兩制下嘅獨特優勢，同為香港開新篇。
Chief Secretary for Administration designate Chan Kwok Ki said that he would do his best to assist Lee in the accurate implementation of One Country Two Systems, and would coordinate various bureaus to formulate and fully implement policies that are beneficial to Hong Kong. Financial Secretary designate Paul Chan said that he is confident that with the firm support of the central government and the strong leadership of the incoming chief executive, the new-term government will do its best to push forward the socio-economic development of Hong Kong. Secretary for Justice designate Paul Lam said that the rule of law is essential for Hong Kong to enhance its status as an international financial, shipping and trade center, and establish the city as a center for international legal and dispute resolution services in the Asia-Pacific.